Ganda na naman tayo ng para sa lunch, guys. We have a lot of chole, leftover chole from yesterday's ulam. So, magandang partner din to ay laksha parata. So, yun yung ihanda ko ngayon because we need to let it rest for 1 hour. I have here curd. Dito ko na i-add yung sugar para mag-melt siya.
Jeremy sat on a blue box, read him some of my new poems. Delilah snapped the shutter on her new camera. We were frozen, old statues taking time for sweeter things in life. Not sure we've ever
Let it rest for 1 hour.
kind of time again. Looking back, flipping pages, waiting for the
Very soft. Now let's do this. Let's cook. I will just chop some coriander leaves that we will garnish on our kulcha. Timing din, guys, na hindi pala uuwi si Abhi for lunch kasi mayroon silang lunch sa office. Nag-effort pa ako. And hindi din pala ni Daddy matitikman yung luto ko. Later, we'll see if kakain siya. I'm not sure. Kasi nga intermittent fasting. Isang meal lang sa isang araw. So, ito muna. Maghanda lang ako ng para sa akin. Ito yung gagamitin ko sa aking kulcha. Ilalagay ko siya sa taas. Coriander and black sesame seed.
Can have medium.
Medium.
Yeah, I want medium.
Let's
Can I
put
have
some.
one? Can we have one from this? Can I have medium?
Let's apply some water para mag-stick siya sa ating pan. Nagpa-bubbles na siya. Yes, perfect. Look at the back. Perfect siya, guys. Yes.
Can I have that one? Okay.
I'll put some ghee. This is a perfect combo. Very nice yung pagkakaluto niya. Let's flip. Wow. Look at my bread. Look at this.
Yummy.
It's yummy.
Gimme. Mommy, gimme.
Para lang siyang pandesal sa atin. Ang sarap. Bread. Like it? Now we'll dip sa ating chole masala.
I don't want mommy. I just want plain. I just want plain, not with sauce.
This is your bread. Wow. Yummy kulcha. Good afternoon, guys. Maayong hapon. So, my friend earlier, our neighbor, dito sa baba, she brought some momos, red chutney, and there's mayonnaise. But Mishka was sleeping earlier, so hindi ko muna siya kinain. She said it's chicken momo and veg momo. Ang dami ng kanyang binigay. Ang bait ng mga kapitbahay ko dito, guys. This is sauce. So this friend who gave this to me, she is my Nepali friend dito sa baba. And the best momo that we can buy from the market are the ones made by Nepali people or Northeast Indians. Because she's from Nepal, so this I'm sure is also good. Let's try. Indian style talaga yung kanyang lagayan. You want to try? Huh, baby? This is the chicken momo. This one is the veg. You want? You can have this. Ang galing niyang mag-wrap, in fairness. Yung aking pag-wrap kasi ng momo, hindi ganito kaganda.
What is this?
Ang galing.
It's a sun and a moon.
Is it? It's a sun and a moon. Very good, Mishi. Yeah, it is.
Let's put it together.
Let's try the veg.
I don't want veg.
Hindi siya ganun kahilig sa momo. Unless if it's fried momo, kumakain-kain siya. And minsan kumakain na siya ng steamed momo. Pero ano, pa-tsempo-tsempo.
What is shampoo?
Tsempo-tsempo.
I don't know shampoo. But what is shampoo?
But sometimes, thank you to my neighbor friend, Lila, for this delicious momo. Dalawang klase pa ng momo, guys. Veg and chicken momos. My daughter is busy coloring. What did you color today?
House.
House. I'll show you Mimi's color. Very good. Whose house is that?
Mommy and Mishka.
Mommy and
I
Mishka.
don't make a rainbow.
Not rainbow, love. Colorful. Colorful house. Not rainbow house. Magulo dito sa area ni Mishka, but it's okay. It means that she is enjoying, she is learning, and that's what's important. Dito na si Daddy. Hindi ako naghanda ng para sa aming hapunan because I'm not sure if he's going to eat or not, and I also left some momo for him. My friend brought me some momo, chicken momo and veg. Wanna try? You want to eat? No? I have kulcha. I will make kulcha for you.
Daddy?
You want?
Daddy?
I really made good kulcha earlier.
Yeah,
Should I make?
Daddy?
tomorrow now.
Daddy? See, I got
So you will not eat now?
Dad, I got half.
You will not eat this? I will eat momo.
Daddy?
Strict talaga yung kanyang bias.
Which friend?
My Nepali friend. I was able to convince him to eat chole and kulcha. Anyway, konti na lang naman yung aking dough. Pang dalawahan, ay tatlo. Tatlo ito. Or dalawa. Same pa din yung procedure natin kanina.
One moment left for you.
Ha?
One moment left for you.
Okay. It's fine. I have eaten already.
How many?
Maybe 4 also. I don't have a lot of coriander leaves kasi sobrang konti kanina yung nakita ko sa ref. So, konti lang ito. Para lang maganda yung itsura ng ating kulcha.
It's easy lang dali.
It's easy. Tada! Jolly kulcha.
Thank you so much.
Cheat day na naman. Yesterday was cheat day. Today is also cheat day. Everyday cheat day. Finally, naubos ko din yung aking ginawang dough. Ayoko na kasi magtira-tira pa dun sa ref. Kasi natatambak na yung mga kailangan namin ubusin ng mga tira-tira na pagkain sa ref.
Please like our channel, subscribe.